Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing all? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Learn Dinka Language. Today we are going to learn new word. This lesson is very interesting. If you love to learn Dinka language, you are going to understand it all. Welcome. We have a lesson down here. Lesson down here. Jam along Muoc, the Iran Muoc. So we are going to learn it. Much, 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 much is in English is a Dinka word which mean give in English. Give, give, give. Much, much, much. Give, give, give. Much and much and much and much and mean in English give me, give me, give me, give me. Mean much and in Dinka language and mean me. Much give, much and give me. Much and above, much and above, much and above, above. A ba o u above. Mean give me maize, give me maize, give me maize. Much and above. Above mean maize, maize. Much and if you, much and if you, much and if you mean give me water, give me water, give me water. Much and if you, if you are talking in Dinka, you will say much and if you, much and cha, much and kun, much and yeah. Anything you want, you can say much and the person will give you what you want. Much and if you, much and if you give me water. Much and galam, much and galam, much and galam, much and galam, much and galam. Give me fan, give me fan, give me fan, give me fan. That's much and galam. Galam, 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 galam mean fan. Much and queen, much and queen, much and queen, much and queen mean give me food, give me food, give me food. Queen, 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 queen mean food or kitchen or queen. Much and queen give me food. If someone tell you much and queen, much and kitchen, that means give me food, give me food. Much and ator, much and ator, much and ator, much and ator. Give me a book, give me a book, give me a book. Mean much and ator, 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 ator mean book, book. Much and ator, give me a book. Much and cha, much and cha, much and cha, much and cha. Give me milk, give me milk, give me milk, give me milk. Cha, cha, cha mean milk. Much and cha, give me milk. Much and a lot, much and a lot, much and a lot, much and a lot. Give me clothes, give me clothes, give me clothes. Much and a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot mean clothes, a lot. Muoc and mugwak. Muoc and mugwak. Muoc and mugwak. Muoc and mugwak. Give me groundnut. Give me groundnut. Give me groundnut. Mugwak. Mugwak. Mugwak mean groundnut. Groundnut. In other word, the other word of mugwak is called atom. 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 Kagoten, but other word is chol atom or mugwak. Much and amutum. Much and amutum. Much and amutum. Much and amutum. Much and amutum mean give me pumpkin. Give me pumpkin. Give me pumpkin. Amutum. Amutum. Amutum mean pumpkin. 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 Yin amutum. Pumpkin leaf. Yin amutum. Pumpkin leaf. Manamutum. Manamutum. That is a pumpkin fruit. Yeah, give me pumpkin. That is the meaning of Muoc and amutum. Muoc and kwalkir. 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 Give me cucumber. Give me cucumber. Give me cucumber. Give me cucumber. Cucumber mean kwalkir. Ka u o la. Ka era. Ka u o la. Ka era. Kwalkir. Kwalkir mean cucumber. Much and kwalkir. Give me cucumber. Binyalich week dodge ibn kache. Binyalich week dodge ibn kache. May God bless you all, my people. May God bless you all, my people. If you say in Dinka language, Binyalich week dodge ibn kache mean you are saying may God bless you all, my people. Nyalish Nyalish mean God. God. Nyalish mean God. People mean kache. 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 My people. My people. That is a combination. My people kache. Ran welcome by ran chol majak deng dit. Ran welcome by. We got challenge we call one be lesson dan ken la ping Dinka language. Please, if you love to learn Dinka language, share the video, like the video, invite your friends so that we learn Dinka language together. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and all the time you like our video, because if you like our video, YouTube is going to recommend it. It's going to show it to many people who might be interested in learning new language called Dinka language. Dinka language is a local language in South Sudan. Yes, if you want to come to South Sudan, you have to know Dinka language, because majority of people they speak Dinka language. Yeah, kane inakar ko wega challenge. Our next lesson will come. This is our lesson of today. Bye bye. Masalama.